So it's a nice mild morning. We're having another session on the tree rats this morning. I'm using the fabulous Daystate Pulsar, which I've owned a few years. It's paired with a Pard NV008 laser rangefinder scope. Got a Huggett Atom silencer on there and a bipod, and I'm using the QIS Streamline 9.56 grain pellets. You can see over my shoulder here some bark stripping that's been going on the tree. So that's why we do what we do. We've got reds just north of here. We're in County Durham. The greys carry a pox virus that kills the reds. They predate on all the bird nests in area. So they eat all the songbird chicks, their eggs. They do get hold of some adult males. They strip the bark, as you can see. So we'll see how we get on. So we managed 4 today, little short session, but some nice tree rats taken out. Less to breed, less to eat the birds, less to kill the reds. Happy days.